Hello and welcome. My name is Andrea Henkels, and I'm so happy you decided to join me here today for this meditation and activation focusing on balancing the solar plexus chakra, the third chakra. Control your destiny and own your personal power with this activation. When the solar plexus chakra is balanced, we feel confident, motivated, and courageous. We own our worth and personal power, hold boundaries, and accept ourselves fully. If you are feeling anxious, insecure, abandoned, rejected, disorganized, or in lack, you may find this activation particularly helpful. When you are ready, find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. And when you are ready, you can close your eyes. And begin to focus on your breath. Just breathing in and out, slowly and fully, letting the breath fill your entire abdomen, into your chest, becoming more and more relaxed with each breath. And as you breathe, you begin to see that the air you're breathing in and out is the beautiful color of sunshine. You notice that this breath is healing, this beautiful, brilliant yellow color that you begin to breathe in and out feels warm and loving and caring. And it begins to concentrate above your navel and the upper abdomen, circulating in a clockwise direction. You may even want to place a hand over this area, letting the warmth of your own body bring further healing, clearing any blockages, any stagnation, any deficiency in this area. And as you continue to bathe in this beautiful golden yellow light, this sunshine, you allow the following words to perfectly penetrate your being. I am confident being my true self. My confidence is magnetic. I am strong and can carry myself through anything. I make decisions that are aligned with my purpose. I am powerful. I wholeheartedly believe in myself. I confidently welcome new experiences. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. I know my value, and I will not lessen or shrink for anything or anyone. I am fearless in the pursuit of what sets my soul on fire and brings me joy. I am worthy of respect from myself and others. I am motivated, persistent, and successful. I am pure, positive energy. I hold the key to my own happiness. I love the person I am, both inside and out. I can accomplish incredible things. I am kind to myself and my development. I am thankful for my unique qualities. Jealousy has no place in my heart or mind. I dismiss any thoughts that entertain feelings of comparison. I support my friends and loved ones who are doing well. I embrace my own journey. I know I am important. I am worthy of love, happiness, and success in all its forms. I deserve to be paid top dollar for my skills and expertise. I am supported in all I do in life. I have the power to create the life I want. I am beautiful, intelligent, fun, and full of life. I am a successful and happy person. People value my work, my time, and my love. I believe in myself. I am perfect just the way I am. I respect myself and others appreciate me. The love I give myself is reflected in all areas of my life. There is absolutely nothing out of my reach. I can have everything I want in life. I am doing a great job. I attract wonderful things into my life. I am whole and complete. There is nothing I need to do or be to earn love or respect. Everything is possible for me. I have everything I need to succeed. What I want is coming to me. I am worthy of any and all gifts, generosity, or compliments I receive. My contributions are valued and appreciated. I value myself. I believe in my abilities. I love that I never seek validation outside of myself. I know that where I am headed is better than I could have ever imagined or dreamed. I have everything I need to create my own opportunities. I accept myself as I am and release the need for approval. I can easily say no when something does not serve me or help me grow. The only approval I need is my own. I am free to evolve and release anything that takes away from my growth. I own my power and recognize the strength inside of me. I am worthy and deserving of my beautiful dreams. I confidently and fearlessly believe in myself. I celebrate the abundance of everything in my life. I am a successful and happy person. I am succeeding in life. I am an inspiration. I am amazed by what I have done and what I can do. I am ready for great things and great experiences. I know my future is full of positive and amazing experiences. I deserve to be proud of myself. I feel calm, confident, and powerful. I have the courage to create positive change in my life. I fully stand in and embrace my own personal power. And taking some breaths here. Just letting the truth of all those statements settle into your core. Allowing yourself to fully own those words. Embracing just how powerful and magnificent you really are. You are so capable, worthy, and deserving of having every single thing that you want and more. And when you are ready, you can begin to move your fingers and your toes, and then open your eyes, feeling powerful and confident, with a deep trust and knowing in yourself and all that is waiting for you. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Again, my name is Andrea Henkels. And if you are looking for more support, feel free to visit AndreaHenkelsCoaching.com. We would love to work with you.